that. Now, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! It's a big old bucket. It's really a garbage can. Wiped it down just to start off fresh. Yep, that is clean. Our worm tea is building up. That's a lot. And then the aquarium water is building up. So this is the worm tower. Still doing well. It's still filling up. So I was going to take all of those. And the first thing I'm going to do is strain it. So, how can I do this where it doesn't fall? That's pretty good, right? So now we're going to start straining. That's nice. This is working. All right, 1. This stuff I did not cover up because I don't want, they need air, the little microorganisms. Worm tea, cooking up my worm tea. And this might have been my favorite one. Can you tell I was running out of containers? Okay, let's do a bigger one. Yum. All right, let's get this one. It's kind of getting stinky in here, guys. Yeah, let's do the last one. All right, so we took all of those and put them in here. It's filled about halfway. Now I'm gonna stir it up and do a little test. I think we're finally ready to do a first batch test. And let's do it. It smells really bad in here. I don't think that's good. It needs to be watered down, that's what I think. Okay, everybody, hello, good afternoon, welcome back to Butterfly Square Garden. My name is Jason Sebastian, and this is a place where you can be free to be yourself, a place where we treat you like dirt. I'm still working on the catchphrase, but here's the important thing. I showed you guys, we've been collecting the worm tea. It's been piling up. I now have like a whole bunch. I sifted out some of the bigger particulates. And I went online and I watched a video, a little tutorial. The first thing you do is you take the salts. By the way, thank you, microbiometer company, because they gave us extra test strips and extra salts. So I can actually do more. Instead of 10, I can probably do, I think 15, because I counted 5 more. So let's keep everything nice. I won't, no, I think I might test on camera every single time, just for funsies. So you take the salts, you open it up, and you make a little cylinder. Then you take a tubey and you pour the salts into the tubey. Okay, good job so far. Make sure you got all the salts. This is called extraction powder. You put it right back there. Next thing you do is you fill up a vial of the sample and you pour it in. But before I do that, I'm gonna take this whisk. It's really an old kitty litter scoop, but it's a whisk for me. So now I'm stirring it up so that it's all nice and uniform, so that, you know, the sample is of the entire thing and not just what's floating on top. So I stirred it up, and now I'm just going to take, how do I want to do this? How do I want to do this? I don't have a scoop. I need a scoop. Oh well, I guess this time I'll just do it this way. Gross. Okay, so we have some worm tea. I am now going to, as carefully as I can, pour it all. Wonderful. I'll clean that later. Putting it back here. Cleaning off my fingers with a paper towel. Almost done, guys. We're doing great. Next thing is you take this whisker and you stir it up for 30 seconds. So I'll take out a strip while I do that, but you put in the battery and you do that. So hopefully it doesn't make a mess. Oh, it's not. Okay. Count to 30. That's okay. I'll clean it up later. So now it says wait for 20 minutes. So I guess I will set a timer and come back in 20 minutes, and then we'll do the test together, guys. Okay, everybody, I am back. So it's been about 10 minutes. And no, it's been about 20 minutes. We let our little thing settle. So the next thing we do, let me see. Pour salt in tube, check. Add compost tea, check. Mix for 30 seconds, check. Wait for 20 minutes, check. Place 3 drops, 1, 2, 3, on strip. Place 3 drops on strip. So I'm being extra careful not to touch the strip. Close the bag. That's where it goes. Now it's time for a close-up. Come on down, everybody. So now you're going to take a little pipette. It said 1 inch from the surface, so I'm going to do that. Now, 1, 2, 3. And I think I just take a picture with the app. So that's it. Place 3 drops, take a picture, get results. Okay, everybody. That's that. I guess I will get the results on the app now. I'm so excited. Okay, so that's all our worm tea. We're gonna get the results. I've got a little funnel. You can funnel it into bottles, and then once it's in a bottle, I can print out a little tag with my logo, and that's it. Okay, I don't want to wait too long. I'll be back with the results. Love you. Bye. Ta-da! So all you had to do was take a picture, and it gave you the results immediately. And these are the results I got: 24.5 UG C, 2 milliliters of tea. Now, I don't exactly know what that means. I thought I would get more than one number. I did use compost tea button. It wasn't compost, I just used compost tea, and even though it's like kind of worm tea, so yeah, you know, that's what it looked like. It's kind of medium tone, so yeah, it actually said that it was kind of lower on the lower end, so I'll link the results, but right now let's scoop these together. Ooh, I can never do this, hold on. Okie dokies, how am I gonna do this? Everything that needs to be cleaned can go over here. I'll get that in a second. So I guess I'm going to do what I said. Stir it up. Oh God. A nice funnel. And I'm going to just start filling up. Okay, so I ran out of stuff to fill up. I gotta go look for something. I'll be right back. All right, I found a couple more that I could use. So let's keep going because we came this far. It's okay. You guys hear me? All right, everybody. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottles. I don't really want to cover them until like right before they're getting shipped off because they need air to breathe. And another thing about this is like, I kind of think of it as like orange juice, you know? If you're drinking orange juice, it can be a little watered down, it can be a little concentrated, but what you don't want is straight water or straight pulp, you know? Like you wouldn't want like a clump of sugar, you know? If it was concentrated orange juice, you would water it down. So that's kind of what compost tea is like. You wouldn't want straight water, but you wouldn't want like a clump of dirt because then you'd have to water it down. So this, honestly, I think it's really strong. You would still have to water it down. The results said that they were kind of on the weaker side. The test strip, that is looking like a very light sample, but this is really dark. So I'm not really sure if it was me, if that's just how it goes. We only literally tested it one time. I don't know what kind of prices I should do, or if you guys think there's anything I can do to make this better. I've already got more worm tea that I should have added beforehand, but I didn't, so I just added that to the batch. So there was some left and I just added some more. I've been continually adding aquarium water, so if I were to, yeah, see, look, it's literally filling up again. So my worm tower's fine. As you guys know, I have several worm towers like this one. I like this one. This is an experimental one because it's got tissues, but I've got like lots and lots and lots. Should I show you? Why not? I might as well. We already made a whole video. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bins. And I have another twice as much downstairs. Those are my sifted worm castings. So, la la la, la la la. I've got more of them. I've got more worm bins than I know what to do with. So that's why I've got all of this worm tea that is going on sale for, well, I don't know, like extremely cheap. What should I sell this for? I'll link the results and you guys can help me get better at this. But, you know, we did it. Now I have to clean up. I guess this will go in the garbage. No, I should save it. That was my first test strip ever. Let's make some money. All right, I gotta clean these off, but that's that. And now I know how to do it. If you guys think I should test my worm castings, I will, but I don't really want to sell my worm castings. I just want to sell the worm tea. That's it. Who wants worm tea? It's good worm tea. Unless I'll just put it in my garden. But anyways, I just wanted to say that we finally did it. We finally did it. Thanks everybody. If there's anything that I did wrong, let me know. If there's any kind of thing that I can do better, let me know, because why not? You know, this is what we're doing with our life anyway, so maybe make a couple dollars off of it. I love you guys, and plant native milkweed, and I don't know, all that stuff. I don't even know what to say other than I'm just happy that I got that done. Everyone loves my worm casting videos, and hopefully you guys will learn that microbiology is better than just dumping chemicals onto your plants. So yeah, let me know if you want some, and I'll probably give it away for free. Okay. Free worm tea. Who wants it? Free. I'm giving it away for free. You can have it for free. Love you. Bye.